One sentence. That's all it takes. Not a rate cut, not a surprise announcement. Just one sentence. And suddenly, the dollar jumps, the euro falls, bond yields surge, billions of dollars move across the market. How? Because Forex doesn't react to what central bankers do. It reacts to what traders think they'll do next. If you've ever watched a central bank leave interest rates unchanged, yet the market explodes, you're not alone. It feels irrational. Nothing changed. So why did price move? Because in today's Forex market, words matter almost as much as decisions. Sometimes, even more. First, traders aren't listening for today's decision. They're listening for tomorrow's. This is where most traders get caught. The decision gets announced, exactly as expected. No surprise, you expect a quiet market. Instead, price takes off. Why? Because one sentence changed expectations. Maybe inflation is slowing faster than expected. Maybe growth is weakening. Maybe officials sound more cautious than last month. The rate didn't change, but the future suddenly did, and Forex trades the future. Second, the market reacts to tone, not just facts. This is called forward guidance. Central banks choose every word carefully. Replace one word like persistent with moderating, or say risks are becoming more balanced. To most people, that's nothing. To the market, it changes the odds of future rate decisions. And once expectations change, currencies move fast. Third, institutions are comparing every statement. They aren't reading today's speech by itself. They're comparing it to the last one, looking for tiny shifts. One sentence that's slightly less confident. One comment that's slightly more cautious. One answer during the press conference that hints policy could change. Retail traders hear the headline. Institutions hear the difference. Here's where most traders lose. They focus on what was said. Professionals focus on what changed. That's why two speeches can sound almost identical. Yet one moves the market hundreds of pips, because the words weren't important. The shift in expectations was. So next time a central banker speaks, don't just ask, what did they say? Ask, what changed from last time? Because that's what the market is pricing. And once you start listening for changes instead of headlines, Forex starts making a lot more sense. If you've ever watched the market explode after what sounded like a normal speech, comment one sentence, and subscribe to MarketsVox if you want to understand what actually moves Forex beneath the surface.